Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your baby girl Mama. What's up? In today's video, I'm going to show you how I make this delicious banana cake with my blender. So stay tuned and enjoy watching. So guys, to begin, I'm using 2 bananas. Next is to slice it, which I have already done. Transfer it into my blender. Yeah. The next one is the egg, and I'm using 2 eggs. Next is to add 1 cup of fresh milk. Yes guys. And the next one is to add your butter, and in this recipe I'm using 150 grams of butter. Yeah. So at this stage I'm going to blend everything together. Right now guys, I'm done blending, so I'm going to transfer it into a bowl. At this stage, I'm using 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. The next step is the sugar, and I'm using ½ cup of sugar, and I'm using a brown sugar. You can also use white sugar or any sugars of your choice. Yeah guys. At this stage, I will be adding a teaspoon of nutmeg. I love the aroma of nutmeg in my cake. So continue watching. The next step is to give it a quick mix, which I'm going to make sure I mix it very well until everything is combined together. So continue watching. Before then, I'm going to be adding my vanilla extract, and I'm using a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Okay guys, take note, if your dough is still thick, make sure you add some fresh milk to lighten up your dough. I skipped when I added a little milk because my dough was a little bit thick. So as you can see, this is how it's supposed to look like. This is how it's supposed to be. So now I'm going to transfer it into my baking pan. So keep watching. So guys, the next step is to transfer it into my oven and bake for 45 minutes to 55 minutes on 180-degree temperature. Okay guys, continue watching. At this stage guys, my cake is ready, and this is how it's looking. It almost gets burnt. Like seriously guys, my oven is something else, and I really need to change that oven because the way that oven used to hot, like I can't even explain it myself. Okay, my wonderful people, thank you so much for watching. If you are new to my channel, thank you so much. Please let's be friends by smashing that sign that says subscribe. turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out whenever I upload new videos. And if you are my OG returning subscriber, I see you. God bless you for your support. Yeah, I believe I've come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, share your thoughts at the comment section down below. See you guys in my next upcoming video, because as of now, I am out. Bye. Ciao.